Hello my dear students, welcome to the classes of Ultimate Success. I am here with you in the journey of your success. Today we are going to understand what is RAM. RAM is a one type of memory in the computer which stores the data or the information whatever we will provide to the computer or mobile phone or tablet, whichever the devices we are using as a computer, smart things. Every electronic device holds the RAM. Whatever you are seeing the chip, this chip is a RAM chip. The full form or abbreviation of the RAM is random access memory. Random access memory. These abbreviations can be asked in any competitive exams, like they will give the multiple abbreviations and they will tell to choose the proper abbreviation of the RAM. The proper abbreviation of the RAM is random access memory. Then we will understand. No, before that understanding, first we will think why. If you go to purchase mobile phone, they will tell RAM is important. The RAM space is high, so the mobile price is high. The RAM is, if the RAM is high, the speed of the computer will be high, the speed of the mobile is high. Usually RAM is a memory device, means that holds the data. Then why, where it comes to the speed of the computer or the speed of the memory, why the RAM is very important, what the role played by the RAM, so that RAM become very important while for increasing the speed of the or the performance of any device. The chip whatever we are seeing, this chip is a random access memory chip. This chip can be of many types. We will learn that in upcoming classes, the types of RAM, which are the different types of chips we have, and what all the capacities of the chip and what all the role they will play. First, basically in this class we will understand what is RAM. RAM is a random access memory. Then we will see what is the work of the RAM and the whole process of the computer. See, this is an hard disk. Every mobile phone or computer has the permanent storage device. In the mobile phone, we can have SD card that stores the data permanently, or we can have a internal storage device that holds the data permanently. Or when we come to the computer, we have the hard disk. Hard disk is a permanent storage device. When we purchase the computer or any mobile phone, the first it comes with some operating systems. Whatever the data is there, everything will be stored in the RAM. Initially, every data will be stored in the RAM. This is an secondary storage device and RAM is an primary storage device. We have two types of memory in the computer that I will explain you deeply in the upcoming classes. We have two types of memory, secondary memory and the primary memory. Hard disk is a secondary memory and RAM is a permanent memory. Whatever the data we have in the computer, every data will be stored in the hard disk. Initially, this RAM will be empty. Nothing will be there in the RAM. RAM is a empty chip. RAM is a empty chip. If we want to replace the RAM, we can replace the RAM with a maximum storage capacity also. Initially, the RAM is chip. Imagine whatever I am telling, how the process will work. First, we have the secondary storage device, hard disk, that stores the data permanently. Every data it holds. Then we have the RAM chip. RAM chip is a empty chip. Then we have the display screen, that is monitor. We have the display screen monitor, we have secondary storage device, and we have the RAM chip. What will happen first? Now the computer is switched off. When the computer is switched off, every data is stored in the hard disk. Whatever the data we have in the computer or in the mobile phone, everything is stored in the secondary storage device. When we click on the switching on, if you switch on the computer CPU, or if you click the mobile phone, switch on the mobile phone, what's the happening means the data whatever it is stored in the hard disk, that will be moving to the, whatever the data is present in the hard disk, that will be traveling from the hard disk to the RAM. The data that will traveling from the hard disk to the RAM. When it reaches to the RAM, you may be seeing the symbol of loading. You may be seeing the symbol of loading on the screen. That means it's taking the time. From the hard disk, the data is moving to the RAM. When the data come to the RAM chip, that time we are able to see on the monitor. This is the work of the RAM chip. Whatever the work we will go doing, ongoing work will be there, that will be present on the RAM chip. The first, the data will be stored in the secondary storage. The data will be stored in the secondary storage device. From the secondary storage device, the data will be moving to the RAM chip. When the data comes on the RAM chip, that time we are able to see anything on the monitor. If our RAM is not working, means we are not able to see anything on the monitor. If the RAM is not working, if the RAM has the dust or any problem with the RAM, means we are not able to see anything on the monitor. As we switch on the computer or as we switch on the mobile phone, whatever the data is present on the secondary storage device, that will be moving to the RAM chip. From the RAM chip, when we come to the RAM chip, the data we can able to see on the monitor screen. Again, when we shut down the computer, or when we're shutting down the mobile phone, again it shows the symbol of processing or moving, wait for some time, like that it will be showing. What will be happening at that time? Whatever the data is present on the RAM chip, that will again be moving to the hard disk. That's why we will tell, if the file is not saved, if we shut down and we will not get again. That means whatever we are working on the screen, that will be storing on the primary storage device. When we click on the save, that time it will go to the secondary storage device. Understand? In the RAM is an empty chip. It receives the data from the hard disk. As the data comes on the hard disk, we are able to see on the monitor. Then why we will tell, if the memory of the capacity of the RAM is high, then the speed of the computer or the mobile phone will be high. If the RAM has 10 MB, if the RAM has the 10 MB, or we have the RAM of 1 GB, if we have RAM of 1 GB, if we are giving more work continuously, simultaneously, if we are doing more work, suppose if you are playing a game of 1 GB, means this RAM occupies only one game itself. We cannot do other tasks in the RAM. That's why if the RAM is of less size, if we continuously going to give the work to the RAM, or continuously if you are going to do any work in the mobile phone, mobile tends to hang, or it strucks until any process will be completed. So that's why if the RAM space is high, then the RAM is able or capable to do the more work, or to store the more work that we can perform from the monitor. Hence, the RAM size increases the speed or the performance of the computer. If you like the video, please click on the like button and do comment if you have any doubts or clarification. In this channel, I am going to teach you all the computer science related subjects. Basically, I am going to teach you all the first PU and second PU syllabus, NCERT syllabus pattern, and all the important questions related to the exams. Every day I will be posting the video, and every weekend we can have a live session to clarify your doubts. Important questions will be given for the preparation of the exam. Thank you.